Good morning, everyone. My respected judges, I introduce myself. My name is Lisa Tanggosari, and I'm from Bogor City, the small city of Indonesia. Yeah. Right now, I will present with my ID. The title is Edusphere. Edusphere is inclusive digital learning platform, and with empowering equal education with digital innovation. This is the project problem analysis by Fishbone. Maybe you always know about Fishbone is the map of the core problem. This one from the unstable or infrastructure and inequal, about human resource capacity, and about learning content, and then about social economy, human resource, and policy and support. Despite digital transformation in education, the process hasn't yet been fully inclusive nor accompanied by meaningful pedagogical change. Learning practice in many schools remain focused and surface level instruction, limiting the potential of technology to foster critical literacy, higher order thinking, and character development. The data from 2024 show that the computer ownership in school, it is for elementary school, is only 5 and 30%. Junior high school is only 27%, and for senior high school, only 39%. This is the area outside Java and 3G areas still lack stable internet and digital facilities. Digital literacy of teacher and student is still low. Digital learning is not evenly distributed. And this is the five whys. We can presume that core problem is about why does digital education inequal or and so on. The root cause identified, insufficient integration between technology, lack of this teacher capacity building and deep learning pedagogy lead to superficial digitalization rather than meaningful transformation. So, deep analysis so that current condition and identifying gaps and key needs identified adaptive and low-tech friendly digital learning model, pedagogically oriented digital literacy and teacher mentoring, deep learning approach that promote critical thinking and reflection, contextualized problem-based and student-centered learning content. So the root cause summary is infrastructure and device are not evenly distributed, low digital literacy, learning content is not adaptive and interactive enough, policies and programs are not evenly distributed and sustainable. The impact, if not addressed, is the gap in education quality is widening, and then learning opportunities and the future of children in underdeveloped area are hampered. And the last implementation of digital based curriculum is impacted. And this my goal project is SMART. SMART is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. I distance learning platform and improve basic digital literacy among students and teachers. And to the long term, we hope we reduce digital learning access gap across region, and particularly in underserved and remote area, three region. And the indicator of success, we hope 100 active user within for the first 3 months until 5 in Siri partner school, and 70% of users demonstrated improving learning evaluation result, and then platform engagement rate exists 65%. And this is the design of project about core activity, and then implementation strategy, and then supporting technology need, and the output. We hope it is better ready for use, adaptive learning content, and teacher training modules. And it's about target beneficiary, student in grade 1 and 6, and teacher in area with limited digital access. And then target with portable learning device, flexible connectivity, digital literacy, and short-term impact, increase learning motivation and improve learning. So in long-term impact, reduce digital education access equality and the impact measurement, and fosters user engagement analytic and teacher and student feedback, and planning about duration for implementation of the program. So we have a quality education for all with the and limitation, make Indonesian children better prepared for the future. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Any question maybe?
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much, Lisa. That was a great thing to share. Like, it's interesting to see that a lot of participants have shared that there are currently a lot of issues in terms of education, and you're trying to make a change. So that's very it's great that people are trying to help improve the current problem and are aware of it. So yeah, thank you for sharing that. And I wanted to ask. This might be like the goal. It's more like of a goal than a solution. So, for example, the goal is to have more digitalized system and more people have access to it, right? But like, what's something you can do in like as a group, like yourself? So, what is the project you can do? Like, can you do like campaigning in sharing that? Because this is what you want the government to do, right? So,
Yes,
what's the thing that you want to do?
yes, this is the concern of government, of
Right.
course.
So what's the thing that you want to do in terms of that? How are you going to share? How are you going to make the government do it?
Yeah.
Or you and your team or your students? Or
I work in a university.
right.
I work in education program study, and we hope we have some program to change and to scale up the capability digital of teacher, especially in digitals, and to share the capability to students how to use technology to improve the study. And right now, in the elementary school, the government make a program coding program for level 5 and 6 in elementary. So from the elementary school, the student is appropriate to about coding in computer. This is from the first the program, the first implementation in 2025.
Thank thank you for sharing
Yes.
that, and thank you for the presentation.
Yes, thank you very much, everybody.